All right, here we are, Lightning, Dollar Storm, whatever the hell, Dollar Link. We got a bonus. I realize I only bet $2 though, but see what happens. That might be something. Okay. $23. Ooh. Come on. Hey, retrigger. That's good. We got more spins. Come on, let's do this. Come on. One more spin, that's it. Alright, it's over. Alright, we got a bonus. Just dropped a minor. 50-50, and let's see what happens. Come on. Come on. Don't stop now, come on. Let's fill it up. Come on. Come on. What do we want? Come on. Let's do it. And that's all she wrote. We got a $10 bet now. See if this thing's gonna open up for me. That's the progressives. Come on. Give me something good. No, that's not good. Come on. $8. Show me the money, damn it. Come on. Still no. Come on. Come on. Hey, we'll take a retrigger. Come on, make it happen now. Whoa! Whoa! Holy mackerel! Look at that! Whoa! I think that's $500, ain't it? Come on. Come on, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, baby. Oh, don't stop now. Come on. Ah. We still got another, still got 3 more games. It's number 6 and 9. Wow. Oh, beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, that's beautiful. They wanted the $10 bet. Beautiful. All right, let's finish this. All right. There we go. Come on, finish the game. Let's do it again. Come on. Come on. Ah, mini. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, how about a retrigger again? Another retrigger. All right, we're up to 800. Let's do it. Come on. Hold and spin, baby. Come on. Yeah. Heineken, why not? Yes, please. Yep. All right, let's keep going. Come on, let's make this a hand pay. Why not? Re-trigger. Look at the minis. I know. All right, we're doing good here. Ocean Casino, come on, baby. Come on, let's get hold and spin. Come on, hold and spin. Ah, almost there. Come on. Fill it up, baby. One more spin to make it happen. Come on. Do it. Ah, that's it. $920.50. That is a beautiful thing. That's the game we're playing. Here are Cats, Hats, and More Bats again. 10-cent denom, lock and leg. We're almost got it filled up here. 2 more, come on. Come on, let's do it. Oh, don't stop. Come on. Would have doubled if we hit them and filled it up. Keep plugging away. We're on Lightning Link, 10-cent, $5 bet. Look at that, smashed out major. We gotta vote for the hold and spin feature here. Come on. Hold and spin, come on. Or a shit ton of wilds, one or the other, come on. Re-trigger. Best bets at Exlos, as you can hear. Come on, give me something here. Garbage. Oh my God. Blocked. Horrible. Here we go. We got some good numbers here. Let's do it. Come on. Come on, big numbers follow. Come on. Come on. Oh, I saw the miner go by. Come on, bring in the miner out. I'll take that miner. Oh, 250. There we go. Look at that major. Drop that major, 10 grand. Come on, drop it down. Come on. Of course. Everything's going to be making noise over there now. Come on. Come on. No. Come on, fill it up, baby. Fill it up. Come on. Not enough. Alright, keep going. Alright, we're losing our ass. Went to Nichols, 1250 back. Come on. Look at that number up there. Come on. Let's do it. Give me some multipliers, damn it. Hold and spin, something. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, garbage. Oh, come on. Oh, you robbery. Come on. Garbage. Come on. Come on. I need her all the way across. Come on, last spin. Look at this crap. Talk about a shit sandwich.
We're heading in, Brody. Thank Christ.